Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 7, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 10, and y equals negative 30.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 7 to x equals 10, the run is 3. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals negative 30, the rise is negative 32.
Slope is rise divided by run, negative 32 over 3, which simplifies to negative 32 over 3. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is negative 32 over 3, x1 is 7, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.